How to delete multiple posts at once on Tumblr. First of all, open the Tumblr app and make sure you are logged into your account. From the dashboard, tap the profile icon at the bottom right corner to go to your blog page. Next, tap the delete trash icon you will find on each post. Since Tumblr doesn't support deleting multiple posts at once, you can delete as many posts as you want by tapping the delete button on each post individually. A confirmation message will appear asking if you are sure you want to delete the post. Confirm the deletion. Your post will now be deleted from your blog permanently. Keep in mind, this section cannot be undone, so make sure you really want to delete those posts. Now you know how to delete multiple posts at once on Tumblr. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more tech tips. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one.